Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you are well. So today I'm going to be showing you something slightly different, and you'll have to let me know how I get on in the comments below. We're going to be starting with this tag, which is using the snowflakes and stars wire elements and the reversible Mary Merlot and copper ribbon. Isn't it pretty? So it is using the warm-hearted stamp set, and we'll be taking the Merry, as you can see, as well as the Snow Flurry. So let's move that out of the way. So I'm going to bring in a piece of Merry Merlot, which has been run through the Big Shot with our stitch shapes, and I'm going to stamp that in Merry Merlot ink, just randomly all over the place. Like so. And keep that in there for now. What I'm going to do is, as you'll see, is I'll be using the snowflake in the middle, but you do have a choice of snowflake, as you can see there, or a star. I prefer the snowflakes, however either's fine. But before we do that, I'm going to bring in my Stamparatus, like so, and as you can see I've got the stamp set already lined up. Just put that back down tidily, and I'm going to bring in a piece of very vanilla, and as you can see I know where it's going to fall, so I'm just going to place that where it is. So I'm going to bring back in my ink. I'm just going to ink up my stamp, as you can see, just slightly off screen. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in some just masking tape, and I'm going to cover the C and the H like that, and then cover the bottom part of it like so. And what that does is it stops any other part of the ink settling onto it like so. And there you have just a perfectly stamped Merry. So let's move that out of the way. And to finish this, all we're going to do is fishtail the ends. But as you can see, this side's slightly longer, so just cut off a little bit. Fishtail, like so. There you have it, and all I'm going to do is run it through my fingers in opposite directions, so then it has a little bit of a bend to it, like that. And I'm going to use a big dimensional to stick it all down to the card. So I'm going to put one in the middle, like so, and place the snowflake on first. Like that. And it does stay, as you can see. And then I'm going to bring in some mini ones for the sentiment. So where it's curved up, I'm going to do 2, and when it's curved down, I'm going to do one, like so. And just place that onto the tag, like so. There you have it. And I'm going to bring in the hand hole punch and just punch a hole at the top to thread our beautiful ribbon through. That's the copper side, and on the reverse it's the matching Merry Merlot. And I'm going to fold that in half and feed that through our hole. Like so. And where you have the loop, feed that through. And all I'm going to do is pull from the back to tighten. That way we don't rip the card. There we go. So now you can fiddle with it as much as you please to get it however you like. And I'm just going to cut it at an angle, like so. And there you have the tag. Now, are you ready to see something different? Because I don't know about you, I like to have things coordinating. So when you've made your tag, you do need a matching card. And why not be completely coordinated with a base of Merry Merlot and a piece of Very Vanilla, which has been textured with a subtle embossing folder, just to mat on top, like so. And then you can just pop another one of your tags that you've made on top and in the centre. So there you have it. You have a card and a tag that both coordinate, that anybody would be happy to receive. So why don't you, while you're here, pop down into the description bar below where you can see a full list of products used and where to purchase them. And while you're there, like, comment and subscribe, and share this to all your social media networks, just so everybody can see how easy it is to make a beautiful card and a coordinating tag. I will see you around. Bye.